Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's class student. Today we will discuss the method of separation, and that method of separation is known as fractional distillation. And in the fractional distillation student, with distillation there is another device is also used in this, that is known as fractional columns. And that fractional columns have the glass beads in it, and with the help of that the distillation takes place in a proper way, and from which we can separate the two different components that have the difference in between their boiling point less than 25 Kelvin student. So it is the importance of fractional distillation, because with the help of the fractional distillation we can separate the two or more than two miscible liquids that have the difference in between boiling point less than 25 Kelvin. So it is most important question. Means which type of miscible liquids we can separate it, means the miscible liquids that have the difference less than 25 Kelvin can be separated with the help of fractional distillation student. Like the liquid air contains the different gases, and those liquid air gases can be separated with the help of fractional distillation. So with the means liquid air, which type of air student? It is not the gaseous air. Which type of air we can separate? We can separate the liquid air with the help of fractional distillation, in which what the industrialists do student, they first have the air from the environment, and that air is filtered via filters. Means there are the filters are used, and that with the help of that filter the dust particles or the smoke particles are separated, and it is supplied to another apparatus, and the air that we get, it is dust or smoke free air student. Now that air is compressed with the help of the pistons. There are the two pistons are applied on that air, and that air is compressed, and due to that compression the air becomes hot. Means the gaseous air that we have, it becomes hot. And which type of air we get student? It is hot air. Now we come on the next, hot air. That hot air is passed through the pipe student, and those pipes are attached with the freezing water having pipes or freezing water having apparatus. Due to that apparatus or due to that freezing, that hot air is converted into cold air student, cold air. Now that cold air is passed through the separator student, and in the separator, as you know, when we apply the pressure and we decrease the temperature, then there is one particular gas is separated here in the form of dry ice. And what is it student? Carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide is separated from the air with the help of separator in the form of dry ice separator. Because the separator separate the air student, and with air it also remove one solid form of the gas, that is carbon dioxide, and carbon dioxide is removed here. After this, there is one particular jet pipe is used, and due to that, so student, now in this the liquid air is passed through the fractional distillation columns, in which Due to the fractional distillation, the gases that are found in the liquid air are separated in different height. Like the first gas that is separated at the top height, it is nitrogen gas. And as you know that the nitrogen gas concentration is 78%. So the more amount of the gas that we get, it is nitrogen. Nitrogen we will get first, and after the nitrogen there is one inert gas is also obtained, student, and that inert gas is known as argon. AR for argon, student, and its concentration is 1%. 1% argon we will get, and at the bottom of the particular liquid, student, we will get oxygen. So in this way we will separate the three different gases from the mixture of the air, and main method that we will use in this, it is fractional distillation. Now what is fractional distillation? Fractional distillation is the method of separation in which we separate two miscible liquids that have the difference in between boiling point less than 25 Kelvin, student. So it is about the fractional distillation, and with the help of the fractional distillation we can obtain the different gases, and we can also obtain carbon dioxide in the form of dry ice. So it is about the method of separation, student. Now you will try to write this important topic in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.